Let me put my shirt on or something. Look skinny as fuck.
Yeah, you do.
Man, you made my fucking legs fucking hard. I didn't think of it. Shit.
You forget.
Come on, stop. I don't like being recorded.
You having issues putting a shirt
I
on?
sound funny. I don't even sound like my voice when I hear it. Look, come to the dark side.
Teresa, stop it. I fart on you. Wouldn't be a first. I fart on you. The camera's scaring me.
Oh, here, record this.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Stop it.
Stop recording me. Come on, that ain't nice.
Ow, motherfucker. You done?
Yes, my name's Isaac.
Come on, stop that shit.
Trying to act like a big man now, huh?
Come on now. I don't. Look at that. Look at the vagina. Look at the vagina. Look at the vagina. Ooh, stretch marks.
Vagina.
Stretch marks.
She got a vagina.
Wait. Stop. Make it. Oh, yes. Come on.
Alright, you done?
You done recording me? Fuck too. No, you're not.
Ow! Ow! Babe.
Stop it! What's so funny? I don't think it's funny.
I do.
Come on, babe. You're gonna show Melissa this shit, aren't you?
You've seen Melissa's shit.
Oh, come on.
You done?
Yeah, I'm done.